In this video, I'm going to show you guys when a DPF is not filtering anymore. So as you can see on this side of the one box, you can see the carbon in this side. So the carbon is supposed to stay in the filter, and in this one it already started to just go straight into the CR. This is the SCR. So this is the filter that it had, and same thing with the one in the back. This filter was pressure washed and it has some damage, as you can see right here. So you can see the light straight through. I'll show you right now. This filter was washed with a pressure washer and it caused this damage right here, all these lines, and same thing on the other side. So if you point it to the sun, you can see straight through it. I'll show you right now. So I think it's better if you take them to a shop to get them clean. If you try to take this core to the dealer to get the new ones or remanufactured ones, they will not take them because they're damaged. They say it's cracked, even though it's not cracked, but it does have the lines. They're not gonna take it, and you're gonna have to pay another $500 just because of those lines, even if you get the remanufactured one or the new one. As you can see, this is the filter and it's hitting the sun right now, and you can't see through it, through the holes. And I'm going to show you on the old one that you could see through the holes. So check this filter out. As you can see, it goes through. You can see the light. Unreal in person, you can see more, but the camera doesn't pick up the whole thing. But you can still see, like right there, you can still see that it does. So this filter is not filtering anymore, and same with the other one. This is it for this video, and thank you for watching.